If you have an actual physical green screen behind you, like in this video right here, then the feature you want to use to remove it is not the green screen feature. The green screen feature in Descript uses AI to remove your background, and you don't have to have an actual green screen behind you. So if you do have an actual green screen, you're going to want to click on the video layer that you want to remove the effect for, go to Layer, right here in the Effects section, click on this plus button, and click on Chroma Key right here at the top. And Chroma Key, if you click on this effect settings dial, once you apply it, and you can see it already removed my background. What it does is by default, it's looking for this shade of green, which is actually quite a bit brighter than what was there. And so it's going to remove all shades of green from the background. And you can move it around. If maybe your green screen isn't green, maybe it's red or yellow, you could find that specific shade of color, and then it'll cancel out that color from your background. And you can find the exact shade by using this color dropper and clicking on it, and that'll find the exact hue. And in that case, it selected the black background, which is not what I want. And you can see if I move this color to the red, it removes the people but leaves the green screen. So let me go ahead and select the proper thing there. And then I'm going to need to change the similarity to bring the people back. So there we go. So there's a lot of different settings here you can dial in to get the exact look that you're going for. But Chroma Key is what you're looking for to remove an actual green screen. To go deeper on this and other Descript and content creation tips, be sure to check out this video next.